Welcome back to another hair tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to style your straight hairs, aka stretch your hairs. So I'll be using my hot comb and my stretcher. This is the brand I use. I like a very wide stretcher. It makes the work really easy. Don't forget your paddle brush and your tail comb, your serum, your wax stick, your heat protectant spray, and your oil sheen. Also, don't forget your claw clips. You need a lot of them because I'm styling the bob hair. And yes, we got a new mannequin head. Yeah, don't forget your mannequin head and your tripod stand. So first step, I'm going to wear the wig on the canvas head as usual, and also use my T-pins to secure the wig on the canvas head. My voice is low like this because I just woke up and I just wanted to finish this editing. Anyways, I'm going to use my heat protectant spray before using my wax stick because you already know I like to work on my closure first. I realized I forgot to detangle the hair before I proceeded with that, so I had to stop midway and detangle my hair before I continued flattening my closure. Okay, so after that, I'm going to apply my serum. This is the brand I use, the Ludoice. Any other good serum is okay. I do not use too much. Again, I do not like to put too much oil on freshly washed and treated hairs because you do not want to clog your hairs with a lot of product. Okay, so I'm going to do this twice because the ones inside didn't get much of the serum. That is why I'm going to apply a little bit more inside after sectioning the hair. I do not use leave-in conditioner for this process. I only use my serum. After that, I'm just going to section the hairs and start working with the shortest part of the hair. Don't forget your heat protectant spray. You're going to also use your tail comb to comb the hair. Then you go ahead and start stretching the hair. I go over that hair for like 3 to 4 times. Guys, my head is putting, I don't know what I'm saying, but you can see what I'm doing. So this wig is a little bit bobbed, so I'm curving my hand inward to like give it that bump. I don't know if you understand. Yes, so I'm just going to go over the hair 3 to 4 times. If it's not straight, I'm going to go ahead and do it again, combing it. Make sure you comb your hair very well before you use your hot tool. If you don't comb it, it's just going to mat the hair. The hotness of the tool is going to just mat the hair. So I'm just going over the hair and then curving my hand down or at the tip to like give it the bob look. So I brought it closer so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So while I'm stretching it, I'm going to be combing it, to make it free and give it this smooth passage for me to style, if that English is correct. Yes. Now that the commercials are over, guys, look at how lush this hair looks. Can you see? That is why I always preach, do not put too much oil in your hair. If you put too much oil, it's not going to have this movement. Okay, so we're at the closure part now. I'm just going to go over it with hot comb to make it nice and flat, and then I'm going to just go ahead and continue stretching until I'm done. So my mic just broke. Hopefully this is working. Anyways, I'm going to spray the hair with my oil sheen now. Very little amount is required for extra shine, and I'm just going to comb it and blend everything together. This is what the hair came out looking like. Let me know in the comments what other tutorial do you want me to film for you guys, and I will happily film it. I love DIY queens. I love people who can do things for themselves. So yeah, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.